Hey there, Alfredo here. Welcome to the new course. So in this course, we'll be covering the most advanced tactics there are to get sales, basically giving you a complete toolbox of all the weapons you can use to leverage the platform at best and to reach your goals when it comes to LinkedIn and multi-channel outbound. So today we're going to cover webhooks. So basically here in the settings section, we go to webhooks. What is a webhook? Webhooks are basically URLs you could paste onto GetSales in order for you to export any kind of information from GetSales to a specific tool. Now, to give you a practical example, I'm going to be using a Clay integration. Um, Basically here, I have a Clay table that is a webhook table. So how it works is basically that I can paste this URL and any data that passes to this URL, this one, will create me a new row in Clay. Okay. Now, let's just create webhook. I'll just call it Clay 2. Now, here you can choose the event. So, depending on what event you want to do, it will trigger the automation. So, custom calls in GetSales are called within the automations, and I'll show you how you can do that. Instead, the other ones are just specific points in which the automation runs and things can happen. So, if a sender profile sent a LinkedIn message, or in most cases, you want to send yourself a webhook whenever the contact replied to a LinkedIn message or an email. So in this case, I'm gonna be you can select one at a time. Then we can just create a duplicate. So what we want to do is you want to paste this and then you just hit create. Then same thing would go for the other one. So let me actually also show you this other one, where here basically you could add extra filters for it to trigger only on specific things. So now if I just hit create here, I could also basically create a new one, and let's say that this one is contact replied LinkedIn to LinkedIn message. This one will be contact replied to email. There it is, and I just call it Clay 3. Okay. Yeah. Now, just for the sake of practice, I'll delete them, but I'll also show you what I mean when you could custom call them. Here in automations, we can essentially add in any point of the process, call custom webhook. So there are basically here, as you can see, if you select the custom webhook as an event trigger, it will basically make sure that it will send data to that webhook during the process. For example, I'm doing it here on this automation where I'm sending data to Clay, finding the person's latest post, and then enriching the stuff with a prompt. But the biggest use cases for webhooks in general are CRM integrations, dashboards if you want to share data on Airtable or other tools. But in general, mostly CRM related things so that your sales team always knows which leads are replying, which leads are manifesting the most interest, and just keeping track of the whole pipeline. So I want to keep this short and simple. For me, this is all, and I'll be seeing you in the next one.